You know which testing sites are legit. That is the subject of today's Protecting Your Money, and our Andy Lascano gets answers to those questions from our local health district as well as the Better Business Bureau.
Now, Protecting Your Money with Andy Lascano.
So a mom says she took her son to this COVID testing site on Castores on January 7th, where he was asked for and gave a saliva sample. The woman asked that her face not be shown for this story.
They had my son spit in a little tube, so I figured that was kind of different also.
The mom says the woman who took her son's sample said she was with LabCorp and that the results would be available in 3 to 4 days. Remember, that was on January 7th, more than 2 weeks ago.
So I kind of felt something was off. I should have followed my instincts. They were not wearing any medical gear or masks.
Start getting medication.
Katie Galan with the Better Business Bureau and Luis Wilmot, Assistant Director of the City County Health District, do not recommend the saliva sample.
So when you do something like a saliva swab, it's not as reliable. That test is not as sensitive, and it may not be able to detect the virus.
I can't tell you that, some spit in a collection tube is going to be enough to say you're positive or negative.
The mom says her son has since tested negative at a different site, but she worries about the information she gave at the Castores testing site. Action 10 News went to the Castores site before noon today, but it was closed. We also tried to check with LabCorp to make sure tests had made their way to the company, but did not hear back as of late this afternoon. Wilmot says the health department is not capable of checking the legitimacy of any pop-up testing sites across the area.
There is nobody governing them. We don't inspect them. We don't have time or even the people to inspect them.
So, ask questions. Don't give out any information other than your name and phone number. And remember, you can file a complaint with the Better Business Bureau or the Federal Trade Commission. Protecting Your Money, Andy Lascano, Action 10 News.